snake attacked a prey a little too big for him. This man is giving a drink to a species of snake common in Indonesia, which has no venom. Tiger sharks are nicknamed the garbage of the seas and don't hesitate to feed on anything, including sperm whale corpses.